Hello and welcome back, it's Marina here, and today I'm super excited to share with you guys another design team project I made for Craft O'Clock. Today I am going to share with you how to make step by step these two cards. I used the Mindfulness Time collection to decorate them and they turned out really pretty. You don't need any special skills to make these cards, I just put together all these fuzzy cut elements and let them tell their story. Later on I am going to show you the full collection, but first let's go ahead to make the bases. For the base we need to cut a piece of heavy craft cardstock about 300 GSM weight. So I am going to cut an A4 piece at 20 cm or 7 7/8 of an inch on the long side. Then I am taking my scoring board and score the pieces along the 21 cm side at 10.5 cm. I burnish well with a bone folder. And now I'm going to decorate the first card. At this point I will show you a quick flip through of the collection. First we have the 12 by 12 paper pad, then this is the 8 by 8 and I absolutely love the color combination of this collection. Then the extra set, which has hundreds and hundreds of elements to fuzzy cut. Absolutely gorgeous. Now I am going to choose a piece of paper from the 8 by 8 paper pad and I am going to cut the piece slightly smaller than the base. With my scissors I am going to scratch the paper all around to give an aged texture. With the Distress Oxide and a blending tool I will ink the edges for an aging look. Also this is a good idea to rid off the white edges. I am using my Nuvo glue to stick the paper on the base. But I take care not to put glue on the edges of the paper, but I leave a small margin about 1 cm. Now it's time to make the composition. I am adding foam pads to give a little dimension. This is the leftover piece, so in total you can use one piece of paper to decorate both cards. I am writing numbers on the back just to keep a note so I don't miss the order. I repeat the same process as I did in the first card. Now I'm going to use an eco line to add some splatters, but of course, instead you can dilute white acrylic paint with water, it's exactly the same. So that was the tutorial for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!